can handle competition with a multinational company with this product. We are going to talk about protein. You know, there is a company in India, multinational company, very old company in Indian market, and there is a product called Neutralite. You know, I'll not take the name of the company, it's not legal, but I name the product, I respect the company and product also. And that company is selling every year around 3,000 crore rupees product in the market. One of the biggest direct selling company. Out of 3,000 crore, around 750 crore rupees product. So almost 1/3 of the product they are selling the protein supplementation. Protein supplementation is a very important product for the Indian market. And today I will going to tell you the why protein is important for your body. And all you remember, some of you, I can tell you, some of you can write down the thing, you can take a note of it, because this is one of the most easy sellable product in Indian direct selling company. Because almost every direct selling company having protein supplementation. So we are going to talk about one product. So what is this protein? Protein is nothing but a building block of a life. Carbohydrate gives you energy. Every day, daily energy. Today you are sitting here, carbohydrate is giving you energy. Fat is a storage energy. It's like a battery in your body box. 1 gram fat burns give you 9.1 calorie. Highest amount of calorie you can get one from the fat. And then protein is making everything. So you are sitting here, you are absolutely made by the protein substance. So protein is very important for the body. So today we are going to tell you something about the protein, and it's very important product for all of us. Why we need the protein? Protein is basically essential macronutrient. There is a two type of nutrient in the market, in the nutrition world. One is micronutrient, vitamins and minerals, and another one is macronutrient, which is protein, carbohydrate and fat. Another nutrient is there. We don't calculate that, but that's one of the most important nutrient. That is our water. So protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals and water, these 6 substances are very, very essential for our body. Without that, we cannot live, in fact. So, protein, we get it from the animal products like chicken, mutton, eggs, fish. Also in the vegetarian substance like nuts, beans, pulses. And our whole body protein is there and building the new cells. Protein is always responsible for making new cells. Whatever new cells are developing in our body, that is made by the protein. Maintain the tissues, synthesizes the new protein, and this is perform the basic body needs, basic supplies of the body. Like it creates the hormones, it creates the enzyme, it creates the blood. Have you heard about the thing which is called hemoglobin? Yes. What is hemoglobin? Heme is iron, globin is protein. So your blood is completely substance made by the protein. Your plasma is protein. Blood is protein, white blood cell is protein, hormones are protein, enzymes are protein, your digestive juice are protein, everything is protein. So without protein you cannot live, you cannot survive. Some people say like, no, don't take too much of protein. Yes, too much protein is bad, but what is your requirement you must take every day? Protein is like a daily labor. You know daily labor, morning somebody comes to your house, does something for your house, maybe cleaning something, and you are paying him, he is going out. It's not a job, daily labor. Protein is a daily labor. Protein every day you need. And how much protein you need, you will discuss later on this presentation. Protein made by amino acids. There are 11 non-essential amino acids. Some people say, I have seen in Google also, some people say non-essential protein means it doesn't work. No, absolutely wrong. Non-essential protein means it's creating inside your body. Automatically it is creating inside your body. It is a natural process. But to get the protein done, making your protein, you have to take 9 non-essential amino acids from outside, because this essential amino acid you are not creating in your body. So mixing up both essential amino acid and non-essential amino acid, you are making this 20 amino acids, you are making more than 1 million of protein inside your body, like permutation and combination mathematics. 261, 612, 621, like we are doing in our childhood, this permutation combination. This kind of thing is happening inside your body, and only 20 amino acids they are making more than 1 million, means around 10 lakhs protein inside your body, everything in your body. started from muscles to hormone, everything they are doing. So this is very important in your body. Basic difference, as I told, non-essential, it is making inside the body. Essential, you cannot make inside the body, you have to take from the outside. And you need every day 9 essential amino acids. If we don't take protein, what will happen? You can see, most of you have seen this kind of thing. Hair loss, brittle nail, nakhun toot jayega. Kiloscott disease, this is a kind of a malnutrition. Pain in your body. There is a weakness in your bone. Tiredness, fatigue, and then muscle loss, busting of muscles. If you don't have protein, you will get a severe kind of a disease called malnutrition. And whatever malnourished people picture you see in the videos of the YouTube or the Google everywhere, all because of the protein loss. A person who is not taking the protein, he can get the malnutrition very fast. So to prevent the malnutrition, protein is very, very important. But funniest part of this, in India, 90% people, we are not getting the protein in the right amount every day. 90% of the people. So, I see in the positive manner, it's the biggest market in India selling protein preparation. Biggest market, one of the biggest market you can say, you can protein. So protein is a very important, this is the picture. Protein function, source of energy, vital for the bodybuilding, tissue maintaining, creating everything, myoglobin, everything you have to create. Fighting illness and disease. If you don't have the protein, so you are going to get the sickness. Creating the enzymes and hormones. Carrying nutrient, oxygen and blood. Hemoglobin carrying oxygen and blood is completely made by protein and iron. Maintaining the fluid balance, plasma is made by the protein. So if you don't have the plasma in your blood, so your fluid balance will not be there. Your nail, your hair, your skin layer, everything created about the protein. Then what is this hair? Do you know what is this? It is protein. Name of the protein is keratin. So you can easily understand if you have a protein deficiency in your body, you will get hair loss also. Simple. So protein is very important for whole body. And protein is also known as lipoprotein. If you are in childhood, if you can remember, we learned something that cell wall cover made by the 3 layers. Protein, lipid, protein. So PLP. So protein is very important for creating your cell walls, otherwise your cell will not develop. So protein is very, very important. So some people, if they think protein is not essential, not required, take less amount of protein, then it is absolutely wrong and going against the science. How much protein we daily need? There is a lot of data and details about that, but approximately we need 1 gram protein per day per kg body weight. Suppose your body weight is 70 kilo, 60 kilo. You need minimum 55 to 60 gram protein every day in your body, absorbable form. So if you say, today I am taking 250 grams of meat, so I am getting the full protein. No. So 100 grams meat, you can give me the only around 15 to 16 gram of protein. That Pedica score is low. Means total absorption will not be there. So if you see, for the 250 gram meat, actually you are getting the protein maybe 7 to 10 gram protein. So in that manner, if you create your food chart, every day you have to take around 2 eggs. I'm talking about non-veg item, maybe 1 piece of 100 gram fish, along with it maybe paneer, rajma, chana, dal, chicken, mutton, everything should be in your dish. Is it possible everywhere to keep all this kind of thing in your dish every day? No. In my house also it's not possible. I will tell, we have a lot of rich people are sitting here next to me, Mangalji and Bipanji, Nilachandraji, and there are a lot of people, the rich people. They are also, I cannot say they cannot do, because we cannot digest all that kind of protein. And second point is that if you have money also, we cannot buy this kind of protein, because that kind of protein, if you are taking, along with that, as a free of cost, we are getting cholesterol, triglyceride, saturated fat. This is free of cost we are getting along with this. So if you are taking the protein, time to get the protein, you are getting something extra also with this. So that much of protein we cannot take. Next thing, if you have a protein deficiency, if you want to take the egg every day, you have to purchase egg for your whole family members. Alone you cannot eat. So if you're thinking you're eating around 4 eggs together, and all your kids, maybe your family members sitting, seeing you, that Papa is taking 4 eggs now. That is not the condition. It's not possible. So you have to take supplementation. And this supplementation is like a medication. One person can take aram se, no issue. People will not see you. They will not see you that my mother or my father, maybe my brother is. And every person, each and every person, we don't get the complete thing. And in your childhood days in the English paper, you used to get the question set. Fill in the blanks. Supplementation is the absolutely same thing. It is filling your gaps. Suppose you need a 60 gram protein every day, but you are not taking. If you are taking supplement, you are filling the gaps. We are not telling you take all the supplements, then it will become your food. So don't take it, but take how much you require per day. And friends, if you get the more amount of protein from a less amount of supplements, that is very, very useful for your products. And we are providing with the highest amount of protein with a very less amount of supplements. Coming on this thing. So 1 gram per day you require for the per kg body weight. So protein you require in every day. And this is Indian condition. This is 2015 data. Scenario is more back to it. Now what is condition? It is saying that 9 of 10 Indians lack of adequate proteins. This is a news journal from the Mumbai Press reports. Why in Mumbai people is little bit of high. This has been happening. It has been clear cut told that we Indian people we don't take more amount of protein. So we are weak. How many of you are fond of football? Most of you. Manipur, the wonderful teams, their football team is there. I'm telling you, how many have seen you Ronaldo? Most of us, most of the people. How you get so much of fitness? Because of his diet. This diet is very strict. He's a protein diet person. He can jump like a cheetah. I've seen. He's jumping around more than 10 feet. He's jumping from the. When he's heading the ball, he was around 4 feet higher than the other people. So this kind of strength from where get why our Indian people they don't get? Because we are less protein eater. So we are not getting the strength. Strength we must get from the protein, not from the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate will give the energy. For burning those energy, the strength you need to get the protein. And for that protein is required. I will tell you in-depth knowledge about this protein so you can sell this product easily. So this is the situation now in Mumbai, Delhi and all those places. Out of 10 people, 9 people they are not having protein, and we have launched a wonderful world-class product. A big round of applause. That is. What is inside this? Soya protein. Soya protein isolates is the highest source of protein. Soya protein isolate is not a that protein which you are taking regular soya beans. No. Regular soya beans you must get around 35, 40, 50% of protein. But soya protein isolate is the highest amount of protein, around 80% protein you get it from there with 8 essential amino acids. And there is no cholesterol, no saturated fat is there in soya protein. So anybody can take it. It's very good for heart also. And this can replace animal protein. Those who want to become vegetarian, for them this is very good. Benefits of soya protein. First of all, it is good for your heart. Not only the protein. When you are taking soya protein, there is no cholesterol, no fat. This is very good for your heart. Obesity and diabetes. Soya protein is very good for the diabetic patient. Reduce the obesity, motapa, reduce, and then diabetes is very good. Cancer prevention for ladies. And all of you, how many? Lot of ladies are there. I'm telling it's a blessings from all of you. Soya protein, there is a phytoestrogen, and because of this phytoestrogen, it can prevent 2 major cancer of ladies: uterine cancer and breast cancer. So it's a wonderful product for the ladies because if they are taking soya protein regularly, so it is very good for the cancer prevention. I will tell more benefit of the soya protein for the ladies also. Menopausal, this is for the ladies. Ladies above 40, 45 years and 50 years, there is a menopausal period. When period stops, in that time there is a 2 kind of problem happens. Once there is a menopausal symptom because of the less amount of estrogen in your body, and there is another problem that is called osteoporosis. The pores means the holes in the bones, and it will brittle your bone. This two condition is 100% controlled by the soa protein. Soa protein providing you the phytoestrogen. It will improve your estrogen level and reduce your menopausal symptoms. Number one. Number two, when in your body there is a less amount of calcium and calcium is not there in the bone, soa protein helps you the absorption of calcium, especially in the menopausal lady, because it is having estrogen. And all you remember, if the ladies, those who are having estrogen level, up to those days they have a period. After that, estrogen level started getting down. Now in this condition, the calcium will not absorb by the bone. All you remember, if you have low estrogen level, then you have a low calcium level in your bone also. Now when you are taking this soa protein isolates, it is having a phytoestrogen, it is mimicking the body's, mimicking means copies the body's estrogen level, so it can allow you to calcium to go to the bone and create a good structure of bone. So osteoporosis also be reduced by this soa protein because of the phytoestrogen level. The next thing is a pregnancy. Pregnancy, this product is very good. I am telling you, the soa protein is one of the best product of the pregnancy. It maintains the estrogen level. The kids' health will be also very good. And I have seen a lot of top level of doctors in West Bengal. I have seen in Mumbai also. They are prescribing Nutrilite because of the high level of soa protein. So you have a wonderful scope of this product used into the market. Now we are having soa protein using all these indications and it's giving a very good effect. Then we have a wheat protein isolate. Wheat we are getting from the gehu, understand? So this is also a very good protein, and we have all kind of protein inside this. All essential amino acids are in the wheat protein. What is the benefit of wheat protein? Wheat protein is a very good source of the vitamin A, D, E, fat soluble vitamin. Good for heart, very good for the skin, and then it is having a BCAA, branch-chain amino acid. And branch-chain amino acid, this is leucine, isoleucine and valine. It's a good amount of branch-chain amino acid. Basically, it is developing your muscle. What it does? BCAA. Glucose breaks down to the glycogen after the Krebs cycle inside your body. All you have read in your school days, class 7, 6, 8, 8 in that period. Now this glycogen store into the muscle and it gives you the muscle strength. Clear, everybody? Those who are going to the gym, what they want, the muscle strength. So you need more amount of glycogen in your muscle. Who stores the glycogen in your muscle? There are three kind of amino acids are there. They create the muscle structure like a network. That called BCAA, branch chain amino acid. Leucine, isoleucine and valine. The amount of leucine, isoleucine and valine as a branch chain amino acid is very good in the wheat protein and pea protein. So it gives you the muscle strength. कैसे समझोगे? How do you think about two kids that are jumping in the school? One kid is hanging with some of the rod, another is hanging with another rod. One falls down after some time, another takes some more time. Why it has happened? Same age of people, same kind of height, same kind of strength. It's because of your muscle strength. So this wheat protein improves your muscle strength. Having BCAA branch and amino acid. Clear, everybody? So our product can move into the gym also because it is having branch and amino acid. People will ask you, the gym instructor will ask you, do you have branch and amino acid inside in your product? You will tell, we have wheat protein and we have pea protein. Both can provide a very good amount of branch and amino acid. And branch and amino acid are three: leucine, isoleucine and valine. All you remember, note down also. So now this is a wonderful product, and effectively for skin moisturizer also it works. Then we have a finest product, and for that your product is having 84% of protein, that is the pea protein. Pea protein is a complete source of protein. It has everything. Get it from the peas. Peas means you understand mutton. So your body can create own foundation from this, and it is very good for your body. And peas protein, and also it's a digestible protein, 100% digestible protein, and great source of iron. Very good source of iron to give the hemoglobin level also very well. And heart, good for heart. Peas protein is also high quality of the protein source. And people says peas protein it can replace egg, fish, poultry, beef, pork, whatever you can take, you can replace with the peas protein. So if you want to be a vegetarian person and get 100% of protein, you have to take the peas protein. Then rich in iron, for very good for the anemic patient, easily digestible, and then muscle builder and repair. This is very important. As I told you, it has a branching amino acid, so it's a very good muscle builder and give the muscle energy also. Peas protein, there are a lot of benefits. Very good for the weight loss. Good for the kidney and heart. Friends, I am telling you, no protein is good for the kidney, except the peas protein. I will not tell you, you can take this soy protein in the kidney by your patient also, but don't give. But only peas protein a person is taking, it is good for the kidney and heart. So this is a wonderful product and very safe product, and it supports the optimal health and well-being, so you have a better health with this. This is a very interesting slide. You can take a snap of this. Combination of these three protein, like pea protein, soy protein and wheat protein. Top three plant protein, it can replace meat. Means whatever the animal source of protein you are getting, it can replace animal source of protein. So it's such a strong protein is there, all three. So they are saying replace animal protein with superfood Pro 84. So if you want to be a complete vegetarian, if you don't want to take the animal protein, but if your body is having protein need, so you can replace with this product. So what is the benefit of Superfood Pro 84? It's a high quality of the protein. 10 gram Superfood Pro 84 having 8.4 gram protein. This is the highest in the industry. This is absolutely high. Big round of applause for this product. Soy, wheat and pea protein, complete amino acids are there. Cholesterol free, no cholesterol. Fat free, no fat. So you're taking egg, you're getting a lot of fat. You're taking mutton, lot of fat. Chicken, lot of fat, but it is fat free. Lactose free. There are some problem in the milk also. Those who want to take the milk, somebody has a lactose allergy, lactose intolerability. Lactose free. No added sugar. Diabetic patient can get it very easily. No color, no flavor, no preservative. Nothing is there. 100% vegetarian, easily digestible product, and it contains soy isoflavone, and this PDCAAS score is 1. What is this PDCAAS score? Yes, protein digestion level. Its full form is protein digestibility corrected amino acid score is PDCAAS score. What happened in PDCAAS score I am telling you. Suppose that today I have given you 100 gram protein. Tomorrow morning I will check your urine and I will check your stool. Test your stool, and I will say how much protein came out intact. What you have given is come out in the intact. So if it is coming, suppose I have given you the 100 gram protein, if we see the 60 gram protein is coming intact out of your body, 40 gram is there, then PDCAAS score is 0.4. 40 gram absorbed. If it is 50% absorbed, 50% got out of your body intact, then its PDCAAS score is 0.5. If it is 60% absorbed, 40% came out, the PDCAAS score is 0.6. But it is 95 to 100% absorbed, the PDCAAS score is 1. Means this is the best quality of the protein. So friends, soy protein, pea protein and wheat protein, PDCAAS score is 1. Means it is 98%, 95 to 98% absorbed is there. Absorption is this product. So whatever protein you are taking, it is completely absorbed. Good? So your product is having a wonderful PDCAAS score. All you remember, because sometimes people will ask you, we are giving good protein. Okay, absolutely alright. What is your PDCAAS score? You will tell 1. Now you can understand what is PDCAAS score. Suppose 100 gram protein you are taking, if 40 gram is absorbed in your body, 60 gram comes out, then its PDCAAS score is 0.4. So it is 100% is absorbed, or 95 to 100% it is absorbed, your PDCAAS score is 1. It means this is the best quality of the protein source, a highly absorbable source protein. Okay, so this is the benefit of this Superfood Pro 84. Yes, we are having this product. No taste, no flavor, nothing is there. Now, what is plain simple powder? We have a double pack. First you have a seal pack, first you have plastic box, then seal pack, then inside there is also aluminum foil pack. So it is not like that we were giving you ordinary manner. It's a very prestigious product of Proveda. Now, who can use this product? Children, they can use this product. Above 2 years, anybody can use this product. Women, they can use this product. Good for pregnant and lactating mothers. So long I was telling you this product. Some products are not good for the kids, lactating mother or the pregnant lady. But this is the product is really good for the lactating mother and pregnant lady. Elderly patient, elderly people you can give. Good for bone health, especially menopausal lady, elderly person. Lowers the cholesterol. Adult they can take to create the immune system and build up the muscles. So anybody can take it. Now, how to use this product? So many people say about, sir, it is basically mix up with the milk. Don't mix with milk. No taste, no chocolate flavor, nothing. Mix with your dal. Making the dal in your home. Mix with soup. Mix with plain water. Mix with milk. Mix with sabji, vegetables. When you are making roti, when you are making atta, when you are making the atta, so in that time also mix with the atta, and then you are preparing the roti after heat also, it will not create any problem. 100% protein you will get. So mix with roti, mix with rice, anything, anywhere you can mix, it will not alter the taste. So suppose 10 gram you are getting 8.4 gram protein, and you are taking 2 spoon every day, you are getting around 17 gram protein every day, which is a very good amount of protein. At least 30 to 40% of your deficiency it will be covered. Those who are going to the gym, give them good amount of this combination. It will replace their protein requirement. So this is a wonderful product from Proveda, and unique product, because first time in fact we have launched 84% protein. Most of the company, like I am talking about Nutralite also, and some of the companies product, they have only 80% protein. They are having 84%. So 4% extra protein is good and better product than market. Now price wise our product, we are giving you a good product, but price wise our product is very, very affordable. 200 gram pack, it is coming 999 rupees MRP, 800 rupees BP, and 400% BP you are going to get this product. Good amount? Good? Yes. So big round of applause for this. 999, 800 and 400. So now we'll break for maybe, I don't know, time.